Okay, you guys, so I'm getting ready to um, put the walls up. We have here, my cousin is here to help me, and I have to help him. He don't want to do it by himself. But we got this, what is this called?
It's called utility wood.
Utility wood.
Yes.
And we're going to put this on the walls. And my plan is to, once we get this up and I get the money, I'm going to put the linoleum. I forgot to bring that piece of linoleum to show you.
You showed me yesterday. I like it. It's like brick.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
gorgeous.
It was like marble.
Yeah.
Like a marble top. So we're going to cut this and put this in the van. So hopefully today we can have the walls put up on both sides. I don't know how long it's going to take him to do this because he kind of slow. So I will check back in with you and let y'all know how we decide to do this. Okay, you guys, so we're recycling these boards that I found in my storage, and what my cousin did is double them up and he just run them across the bottom like that so we could have something to screw into. You can screw down there at the bottom too.
I'm trying to see. Is something here?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not hitting anything.
It's probably the insulation in the way.
Probably the very bottom.
Hold on.
You think it's a...
Okay, y'all, it's getting dark, but before it gets too dark, I just want to show y'all what we got up. We still have to screw the tops in, but this is just an extra backing for us to screw our little plywood or whatever to when we get ready to screw it in, just giving us something extra to screw into and have it to be a little bit more secure.
Stable.
So I was just touching bases with y'all.
Give it a stable.
Okay, you guys, I just added this last piece in and I put all my fasteners and I sealed the seam between the two pieces. So now this is one whole sheet all the way down. It's a jointing right here, and I sealed this, and then I'm gonna seal up and take the end, and that's gonna be it. The only thing I have to do next is put my side pieces over here. I got one piece that I'm gonna cut. I hope it's enough. If not, you guys, we're just gonna do this the best way we can, because we're not going to buy a whole nother sheet just to do this side, which is about 5 inches. So I'm gonna do that. I'm working at night. See, it's dark outside, and I'll be through with this project in a little bit, because I'm gonna stop once I finish the ceiling. I just want to feel like I completed something today, and this is how the side wall is looking, and we got something to screw into. My cousin helped me with this. We were gonna finish and scribe the wood to put over the top, but he's not feeling good. He was recently in a car accident, hit, almost killed on the freeway, and then he fell again last night. So yeah, so he agitated his pain all over again. So this is how it's looking. I'm gonna be working on this again tomorrow. If he's not able to help me tomorrow, y'all, I'm just gonna do whatever it is I can do. I'm gonna do it my way.